Today our topic is how to use movable scroll bar in Microsoft Excel. You can see here a list of name and their salary, and we can move by a scroll bar on its side. How can we use it and make this scroll bar in Microsoft Excel? I will show you. Here I will remove all the things. Now we will go to the developer tab. Here we will insert scroll bar from developer tab. Select scroll bar and paste here. After pasting, we will go to the format control. Here is the current value, we will add 1, and minimum value also 1, and maximum range you can add as you can like. I will add 150, and cell link, click on H2. Here we will use a formula of index and is equal index, and select the range. We will use here a comma and select the number cell H2, which is linked to the scroll bar. We will close the bracket and drag this formula to the salary column and drag down till the scroll bar ending. Now you can see that here we can scroll all the list till the last employee. So by this way you can make your own scroll bar in Microsoft Excel, which can be moved up and down and show you the all list in Microsoft Excel. Please like the video.